I missed one. That's okay. Josh.
2 over 3.
No.
5 over 3.
5 over 3 is correct. Jacob, please explain.
Because you added m to k, so you have to add 3 to 2.
Very good. If you look at the pattern, to get from this first fraction, I added the denominator to k. Kept it over the same denominator. So if I want to still have those two fractions representing the same thing, I'm going to do the same on the other side. I'm going to add the denominator of 3 and then keep it over 3. So this would be 5/3. Okay? And number 8 in the book, it can be any one of those 3 things equal to the sum of all of them. All right. For homework, you're going to be doing page 247, 3 through 33. Number 36 and 39 are worth bonus if you get them right. Well, 39 is odd. You're going to get that right.
You have to have the correct word.
You have to have the work. There you go. Thank you.
Wait, what are bonus?
36 and 39 are some extreme algebra problems. If you get it and you have the work to support it, it will be bonus. Put it on a separate sheet of paper because it will be special bonus. Yes.
Oh, and extreme algebra on the test?
Huh?
Is extreme algebra going to be on the test?
Maybe one or in the form of a bonus.
Okay, extreme algebra.
Okay, now I want to point out to you this problem, the chart that you're filling in for your homework on page 247. Okay?
24. Would you do like
That one's
X?
from homework.
I know, but would you say like X, Y is equal to 18 cents?
Where are you? On the homework?
Oh.
No, I'm going to show you. Just settle down. Shh. You are given a proportion where KR over RT is equal to KS over SU. All right? Well, another proportion we can come up with is this. If we add KR and RT together, we get KT, right? So we could say KR over KT is equal to KS over what? KU. Or you could say RT over KT is equal to SU over KU, as long as you keep those proportions the same. And that's where that's going to help you with this table. Now, what I suggest you do is draw a little picture and label what you know. For instance, number 22. We know that KR is equal to 8. We know that KT is equal to 10. So RT is 2. We know that KS is 12. With this information, can we use the proportion that's written up here?
Yes.
Wait.
We know KR, we know RT, we know KS. We're looking for SU.
And KT and
No, but they
KT.
wouldn't be equal. Oh.
They're a proportion. It's a ratio set equal to a ratio. So, we know that KR over RT is equal to KS over SU. Stop talking. So 8 times SU is equal to 24. So what is SU?
3.
All right. Now can you fill in the rest of the chart? What's KU? 15. It's the whole thing put together.
Oh, they're all like, they work with each other?
Yeah, they work with each other.
I recall.
That's why drawing the picture helps. Okay? Now let's do number 23. Because 24 is your homework.
Yes.
All right? Number 23, it says KR is 16. SU is 10.
KU is 30.
And KU is 30, which means this is 20. Okay, well, we can start using this proportion again. This time we're looking for RT. Okay? 16 over X is equal to 20 over 10. 20X is equal to 160. So X equals 8. And if we know this is 8,
If you reduce it, it's easier. Can we reduce it?
sure. If you know that's 8, well then what's KT?
That number.
16 plus 8.
24.
24.
I should have noticed that.
And what's KU?
30.
30. Okay, so you just fill in what you know. All right?
You have to know what RS is. Never mind.
Let's look at number
26.
24.
27.
6.
let's look at number 25 because it gives us a hint, so that means it must be a little bit more difficult. Okay, number 25. KT is 12. KS is 10. And this is 5.
Wait, I have a question.
What?
Would you be able to say that RT equals 6 because if KU is 10 and the other one's 5 and the other one's not the same ratio?
It does have to have the same ratio.
So that means that RT is 6.
But no, it doesn't.
If it's
Because
10 and 5.
KR is not 12. KT is 12. Okay?
Well, I mean,
So
say-
what I have to do here is I have to develop a proportion that makes sense.
Well, you could say that
Use the total.
10 and 5 is 12. So it's 8 and 10.
Let's just start with KR. KR over KT would equal what? Using the other two sides. KR over KT would equal
KS.
KS over
SKU.
KU. Do we know KR?
No.
Do we know KT?
Yes.
Do we know KS?
Yes.
Do we know KU?
Yes.
It equals
No.
8.
KU is 15. So 15x is equal to 120.
Well, you could have used that other proportion.
big
but that
number.
was
Which means x has a value of
8.
4.
Hold on.
8.
8, yeah. Yeah, see, they told you to put KR as X and then RT is 12 minus X.
yeah, but you don't have to do that.
Yeah, I find it much easier.
It's much easier to do this. All right. So if this is 8 and the whole thing was 12, what's RT?
4.
There you go. Yes.
Couldn't you just do, since you knew it was half because the other side, and you knew that was 12, that whole side, you can 2x plus x equals 12. It works.
But it won't work every time because you won't know that it's half.
Well, yeah, but you do, yeah, you,
For that, couldn't we just have done the adding?
Yeah. Okay. The point is, use your triangle, use your picture to be able to make it easier on yourself. Okay? Because your proportions have to be comparing the same things. You can't compare light bulbs over wheelbarrows to buses over helicopters. Alright? You have to be comparing the same things.
You know the headlights on a car are filled with
I bet.
gas? You know the headlights on a car are filled with gas?
Yes.
Xenon.
No, I didn't know that actually.
Did you know if you bust them, nothing happens?
Well, yeah, because it won't work.
No, because xenon's non-reactive.
It's a noble gas.